Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Blitz Quick Tutorials. My name is Mary Sola, or Blitzen, you can call me either. And we're back. It's been a couple weeks, I know. How many of you guys got the evolutions from Amazing Lights? I'm assuming that's a yes. So if you haven't gotten them, there's a link below that you guys can go to pre-order them. You can still use my code Blitz and save some cash, you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, and if you do have them, what do you guys think of them? Are you into them? I don't know, drop a comment right now, let me know what you think. And speaking of evolutions, next week I'm gonna be giving away a set of Chroma Evolutions. Yeah, so be on the lookout. Follow my Instagram, which is gonna be like right over here. Follow me on Instagram, and there'll be more instructions on how you guys can win that coming up in the next week. So, welcome back to another episode. Let's get into the move for today. All right, so today's move is going to be a wave tutting pattern. Wave tutting we haven't done yet. So this is going to be kind of exciting and new. This is a common one that I use in my light shows. I would show you clips from the light shows that I have done them in, but a lot of the songs are copyrighted, so I don't want to get my videos flagged for that. I already have enough problems with that on all my other accounts. No comment, Twitter. Anyways, so here's going to be the move for today. Okay, so there's the move. A very simple one, but there's a lot of places and directions that you can kind of go with it, okay? So the first thing you're gonna wanna do to start is you're gonna wanna pinch these two fingers together on one hand. So your pinky and thumb finger. Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of editing this video right now, and I just realized, yeah, say hi to Jack, that I did part of the move wrong. Not wrong, but I interchanged the thumb and three fingers portion. You could do it either way. Yeah, I'm just watching it back now, wondering what I was thinking or what I was doing. But anyways, sorry to interrupt. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, and these fingers are going to be flicking out, basically. Doing like a velociraptor type thing. And then you're going to start with your pinky finger open here. And the whole idea when you're wave tutting is that everything needs to look very fluid. So like when we're doing king tutting and that type of stuff, right, everything looks a little bit more rigid and boxy, and we're still keeping those rigid, boxy motions and angles, but we're doing it a little bit more fluidly. So we're incorporating that like liquid vibe to it. So once we have this and this, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna pinch these fingers together and we're gonna drag it up our hand. And as we're dragging, we're opening our hand. And really what we're doing is a finger roll. Everything here is a finger roll. And we're finger rolling from the pinky finger to the index finger. And as we're doing that, we're opening up that claw, okay? And then we're closing it back, bringing it back down, right? Here we go. So once you can get that comfortably, right, work on making it fluid and almost snapping the finger out, right? And right as you're opening, you want to be ending that wave tut. And that's what's going to make your wave tuts look really clean, is that everything kind of starts and stops right at that particular moment that's going to emphasize that angle. Does that make sense? So when we go here, right, we're not going to open this finger before this hand gets there, or it's not really going to make sense. You're not going to be able to connect the moves. So now once you get up here, we're gonna pivot this hand all the way around. And when we do that, we're gonna drag our thumb straight down. And as soon as we drop the thumb, we're doing that same motion, the finger roll, to our pinky. So as soon as we drag our hand down, right, and we open up to that pinky, we can then use our thumb to almost spin the pinky around. And when we spin it, I'm opening up to my index finger and I'm matching it with my other index finger on the other side. Now from here I can go into a whole different series of other wave tuts if I wanted to. So this move that I just gave you guys is something that you can kind of string together with your other wave tuts, and it sets you up to be in a classic wave tutting position, which is right here, which is probably one of the most common positions that you can kind of start from, and you can really do a lot from here. You can start tracing with the thumb You can start tracing with the index finger, right? You can shift to your pinky finger, and you know, you could do a lot of different stuff from there. So all together, right? And there it is. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Wave tutting is really cool. It's not used as much anymore, unfortunately. Everyone's like super into the like digit techie stuff, you know. So if you feel like you're more into the like flow liquidy type thing, you know, but you don't really dabble into tutting, maybe wave tutting is a good compromise for you. All right, you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, like, comment, subscribe. Even if you didn't love it, do those things. Tell me, let me know. If you hated it, leave me a hate comment. I don't care. I want your guys' feedback. That's the most important thing for me, so I can keep developing the series and coming up with new cool ideas for you guys. So on that note, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.